Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to verify your identity on Poloniex. Now, here's a detailed step-by-step guide on how to verify your identity using Poloniex mobile app. The first thing you need to do is to launch the Poloniex app on your mobile device and log into your account if prompted. The next thing to do is to tap on the profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen to open the profile menu. In the profile menu, look for basic verification at the top. So this option is typically found at the top, which is under your account name. Now click on basic verification, and now you have basic verification done. The next step is the advanced verification. Use ID and facial recognition for verification. So that's it. Now click on verify now. So in here, you have to select where the ID was issued. If it was Nigeria or another country, click on the country to select your country and click on cancel if you don't have any other country. Now, this is identity card. You can use passport, you can use driver's license, and select next. Then here you have to enter your front photo ID. Okay, you have to enter your front photo ID, has to be clear, and the back photo ID. So make sure that ID is not expired, and just go ahead and follow the on-screen instructions to align your document with the frame. So its photo is done right, photo is not cropped. If photo is cropped, it's X, ensure that the photo is not blurred, and ensure there is no glare on the photo. So use original government issued documents. Place the ID against a single color background. Photo must be clear, unblocked, and without glare. Avoid using black and white images. Once you're done taking a photo of the front and the back, click on submit. And once you submit, just submit to send verification request to Poloniex. Now, Poloniex will review your documents. The verification process may take a few hours to a few days, depending on the volume of request. You receive an email or in-app notification once your identity is verified. And to check the progress of your verification, go back to the verification identity page, which is here, the section in the app, and it will show the status of your request as either pending, approved, or rejected. If rejected, follow the instructions again to correct any errors and resubmit your document. So that's pretty much it. So ensure that everything is fine and okay. Once your identity is verified, you have higher deposit and withdrawal limits and access to additional features in the Poloniex app. That's pretty much it. So go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.